Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzi Academy. In this video, we'll be solving the question 6 of the 2019 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions. So we'll begin with question 6a. Question 6a. If A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, and R is equal to A plus 1 over 2 into brackets A minus B, find I, the length of R. So let's move on to the solution of question 6a. Our A is equal to 2, 3, and our B is equal to 4, 5. Our R is equal to A plus 1 over 2, A minus B. So we are being asked to find R. So R is equal to A plus 1 over 2, A minus B. So anywhere we see A in equation 1, we put 2, 3, and anywhere we see B, we put 4, 5. So our R will be equal to 2, 3 plus 1 over 2 to bracket 2, 3 minus 4, 5. So our R will be equal to 2, 3 plus 1 over 2 multiplying 2 minus 4, 3 minus 5. So R will be equal to 2, 3 plus 1 over 2. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So this will be equal to 2, 3 plus, so minus 2 divided by 2. So half multiplying minus 2, we have minus 1. And half multiplying this, we have minus 1. So our R, which is 2, 3 plus minus 1 becomes 2 minus 1 and 3 minus 1. So R will be equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So our R becomes 1, 2. So this will be our solution for question 6ai. So moving on to question 6ii. It says that find the length of R. So the length of a vector is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And we know that our R is 1, 2. So 1 is our x, y is our y. So the length of R will be equal to the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared. So the length of R will be equal to the square root of 1 plus 4. This is equal to the square root of 5. So our length of R will be the root of 5 units. So this brings us to the end of question 6a. Now don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So we'll be moving on to question 6b. Question 6b. Given that A is equal to BC and N is equal to MK over EC, I. Express K in terms of A, B, E, M, and N. II. Find correct to 3 significant figures the value of K when A is equal to 1 over 2, B is equal to negative 4, E is equal to 3, M is equal to 7, and N is equal to negative 5. So let's move on to the solution for question 6b. So A is equal to BC and N is equal to MKEC. And we are being asked to express K in terms of A, B, E, M, and N. So we need A, we need B, we need E, we need N, and we need M. And we are expressing K, but we don't need C. So we need to replace C, but we know that A is equal to BC and C is equal to A over B. So we can replace C with A over B in this expression. So we have N is equal to MK all over E multiplying A over B. Now this can be written as N is equal to MK all over EA over B. So our N will be equal to MKB all over EA. Now when we cross multiply, you have NEA is equal to MKB. Now we need just K, so we multiply here by MB and here by NB. So our K will be equal to NEA over MB. So that will be it for question 6BI. Now for question 6BII, we are asked to find the value of K when A is equal to half, B is equal to -4, E is equal to 3, M is equal to 7, and N is equal to -5. So 6BII. We know that our K is equal to NEA over MB. And our N is equal to -5. Our A is equal to 1 over 2. Our E is equal to 3. Our M is equal to 7. And our B is equal to -4. So our K will be equal to -5 times 3 times 1 over 2 all over 7 times -4. Now this is equal to -15 over 2 divided by -28. So this cancels this. Our K will be equal to 15 divided by 2 times 28. And this is the same as 15 over 56. 15 divided by 56 is the same as 0.2679. But from the question, we are being asked to correct to 3 significant figures. So our K will be equal to 0.268. So K is 0.268 in 3 significant figures. So this brings us to the end of question 6. So in our next video, we'll be moving on to the question 7 of the 2019 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions.